So friends, let's start Java program with the VS Code, okay, Visual Code. So friends, you have already seen that I have already written the public class app, okay. Then we curly brace and run debug, okay. Public static void main string args throw exceptions, okay. This is the first line. Now I will show that the very basic, very beginners, but I think that a lot of students are in beginners in Java. Okay, so I just putting the mathematical library. Okay, I use mathematical library, so you will see that how can I make a lot of program with the help of mathematical library. So I write double. Okay, so m equals to capital math dot cbrt, okay, cbrt, and my number is some different, okay, this is not dot, okay, math dot cbrt. I can suppose I give in here 3375, okay, and another is I write again system dot out dot out out dot print ln, okay, print ln. Now I write the object is result of cube root, and plus m, okay. So plus m, this is the comma. Next I can write double m cbrt means cube root, okay. I will find out cube root math dot cbrt. So n equals to capital A math dot cbrt hyphen, then I can write result, okay, result of cube root value equals to, okay, result of cube is equals to plus n, okay. So this portion is little wrong, it should be system dot out dot print ln, okay, system dot out dot print ln. Next cbrt, we can write any number is suppose 27, okay, 27, this is the system dot out, okay. So now you will check my result, what is my result is going, okay, my result is 3 excited with, okay, result of the cube root is 15, and result of the cube root is equal to 3.00, okay. So this is my cube root value. I hope it is clear for everyone. Now we will go another mathematical libraries. Okay, mathematical libraries. Next library is, okay, so you have to remember that syntax is return data type variable is equal to function name. Okay, so you can write argument 1, argument 2. This is the okay, this is the way. Okay, now I can use squared. Okay, I will change another. I put the value squat. Okay, math squat. Okay, so just changing this portion 625. Okay, now let's see that what is my output. Okay, it is not cube root, it's square root. Okay, I just change that it is result of the square square root. So whatever I get the value. Okay, result of square root is equal to 25, a result of cube root is equal to 3.0. So this is the power of the mathematical libraries. Okay, suppose I will change another is mean value. Okay, mean max. Okay, so I just change the value. It is not mean. Okay, suppose it is mean, so there is some argument. So when it is the mean is my, then I can write 2 argument 1 and not comma 7. Okay, now you check which is the my answer. Okay, so sorry, it is not square root, I have to write mean value. Okay, result of the mean value. In this video I just try to introduce all kind of maths library. Okay, so you will check that it is mean values. Similarly, if we change max value, so what can I do? I write in here max. Okay, max value and b, and I will give another value 9. Okay, sorry, it is not 9. Okay, max value. Okay, it is 2 given argument. Okay, not 1. So it is not possible for 7, it is only for 2 given argument. Okay, yeah, so what is my answer? Let's see. Okay, max value I get and cube root. I hope that my answer is correct. Yeah, so we have learned math max, math mean and square root. Now we will go square root. Square root also we have already discussed. Now cube root already got discussed. The maths absolute. Okay, now we discuss maths absolute, ABS. Okay, so ABS value absolute value can be written -8. Okay, result of absolute values. Okay, so absolute value I write in here absolute value. So absolute value is equal to, what is the absolute value? My absolute value is, let's see the answer. Absolute value is equal to 8. Okay, because -8, so it is absolute value is 8. So this is the way to know the all kind of all kind of mathematical libraries. Okay, so processes is same, return data type variable is equal to function name. You will see that function name is math apps, and also you have to put the number, putting the number. So maths absolute. Now I want to show round, maths round. Okay, so similarly just change in here and putting the value round, maths round. Okay, so this value, maybe I change, I write this value is 8.49. Okay, so system, so round value, so result of round round value, so the result of round value is equal to plus m. Okay, so fractional part 0.55 more. So maths round, how can I? Okay, okay, result of round value. So whatever we get, let's see, let's check. So okay, this is the round value 8.0. So now again I will go another positions, that math rint. Okay, what is the rint means the nearest integers for a given argument. Okay, return an integer value, double data type. So however it predicts the different outputs for positive and negative numbers. Okay, so math rint, so how can I can write, it is not round, it is math rint. Okay, math rint minus 12 point, just change minus 12.49. Okay, no problem. So rint of the negative, result of rint of rint rint value. Okay, result of rint value, we can write. What is the meaning of the rint? I have already told that rint value is, rint means fractional part. Okay, lies between 0 and 0.5. Then the function will return the integer part of the number. Okay, so what is the value of this? Let's see, let's go. So this is the my rint value. My value is minus 12 and 3.0. Already you know that 3.0 rint value is. So if the result is, if I will putting the value is positive number, so it is rint value is already changed. Okay, you will check that what is my rint value. My rint value is 12. Okay, my rint value is 12. So 34 point, because as the value is less than 5. Okay, if I will put this value 7. Okay, so what is my rint value? Rint value is 13. So this is the important, that the value is point fractional part is more than 0.5. That's why we get 13. Next, so we learn rint. Next is sale value, sailing functions. Okay, sailing functions, we know what is the sale functions. So sale functions means higher integer. This function is used to return higher integer for the given argument. It always returns the value as a double data type. Okay, highest integers. Okay, so we can put the value, putting the value highest integer means greatest integer. Okay, greatest integer and rint value both are different, so we know each of the values. So friends, we have already told that cell functions is higher integer for the given argument. It always returns the value of double data type whether the argument is given as an integer, int, float, and double data type. Okay, so cell functions, when I write cell functions, then suppose 45.9. So what is my output? My output is, let's check my output. My output is 46. Okay, and when it is suppose 45.3. Okay, so let's see what is my output. Output is same 46. Okay, so this value is my greatest integer values. Okay, greatest integer values. But when I write minus 45.3, so it is changed. Okay, so we get the value is for minus 45. This is the greatest integers because we used this function in integrations. You have already, those who watch my channel, they all have, they know that I used to use this value in JEEs. Now friends, again we will teach math fluid functions. Okay, so fluid function I write FL double O or fluid, math fluid functions. So fluid is, suppose the value is 45 point fluid functions. Fluid functions means lower integer. Okay, scaling functions is greatest integer and fluid function is lower integer. So what we will get, so we have to write fluid value. Okay, fluid value. So what is my answer? So it is minus 46 value. Okay, fluid functions and cell functions both are different. Okay, you will observe through this value. Okay, in programming we will see what is the value in fluid functions. Fluid function is 45. Okay, now again we see that if I will write in here 45.9, we get same result. Okay, so I hope that you can get some idea what is fluid function. Now friends, this is my I just discussed that what is maths library. So next library function is maths random. Okay, so I have to change this portion with the loop. Okay, so how can I work this, because I have to remove this portion. Okay, I write in here double, okay, not double, int I. Okay, and double so system, so random numbers between system out print ln. So I write random 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 numbers. Okay, random numbers between, okay, between spelling is between, okay, 0 and 1. Okay, so So for I equals to 1, I greater than 10, I plus plus. Okay, so this is the way. Now next is, okay, in here some errors, that is D equals to capital math dot random math dot random, okay, and system out print ln, okay, print ln D. So what is my answer? Let's check. Okay, there is some error. Okay, let's go, let's move that. Where is my error? Error is the value D might not have been initialized, so I have to check. I do not initialize D, so int I double 0 and 1, this is D equals to math dot random, okay, okay. There is a greatest blunder mistake, that is this, and in here I have to for loop. I used for loop. Now next I check again. So our, this is my total output. Okay, say random numbers between 0 and 1. Okay, randoms number between 0 and 1, this is my total output. So this is my math random. Okay, so now we will discuss that trigonometrical functions. Okay, trigonometrical function is suppose I have to find out 60-degree cos value. Okay, so int a equals to 60, okay, and double rad equals to 22 by 7, okay, 22.7 point 0 7.0 star 180 star 180. Okay, so this is my radian value. Okay, okay friends, so this is my radian value into star A. Okay, so now next is DOUBLE, double D equals to capital A math dot cos rad. Okay, in here it is dot math dot cost rad. So system log out, so I just remove this portion. Just try to remove this portion. Okay, so system dot out print ln value of cos 60 degree. Okay, so value of 60 degree is, that is, float plus float so this is my total conversions. Okay, so you have to remember that what is the, this is the angle, this is the angle. Okay, angle of the assigned in degree. Suppose I want to find out 60 degree. Okay, and this is the conversion of angle between degree to radian. So what is my answer? Okay, there is some error is expected. Okay, so in here there is some error. Okay, it is plus float, not double float. Okay, and print ln. Okay, so there is some. Okay, now we will check the answer. What is the value of the cos 60 degree? Okay, cos 60 degree value is 0.499634492. Yes, absolutely correct, because it is the half. Here you get accurate values. Okay, now you can get all kind of trigonometrical functions. Cos rad. Similarly, you can find out cos 45 degree. Same you can find out all kind of angles. So thanks for watching. I hope I can I can clear this total concept. I think that you understand everything in my program. Okay, and hope it is very good class for beginners.